Guys, now I'm going to show you the mudras which will help you to prevent yourself from coronavirus. If you are coughing now, so do this mudra. See, this is a very small package I'm going to give you now. This is just only in left hand you do it. Okay, in one hand. Left hand you sit like this. If you are coughing, 5 to 7 minutes you take this mudra. If you are sneezing continuously, then you do this mudra. In right hand, you should keep this finger to here, index finger here. Get it? For sneezing. I have given this mudra for sneezing. And if you have fever, then you do this mudra. It's opposite. Again see. In left hand and in right hand, if you have fever, you do this mudra. It's amazing and miraculous mudra for coughing, sneezing and for fever. It's a miraculous mudra in Ayurvedic mudra therapy. I, Professor Sneha Shevale, would like to say thank you and stay at home and please do this mudra. And with it, if you have time for 5 to 10 minutes in the day, every day, you should try this mudra. This is Vata, this is Pitta, this is Cough, and this is mind direction mudra. Nowadays, we all are under the stress. So every day 5 minutes, please do this mudra. Sit in a very comfortable position and do it for 7 to 8 minutes as possible as. In a day 3 times you can do this mudra and see the wonderful miraculous results it will get. Please write down in our comment box how do you feel. For coughing, sneezing and fever, please try. Normal also,